Saturday night. There's the bar Impero. I'm heading out to Cittadella for the last of the two Notte Bianche, the White Nights. They're called Notte Bianche or White Nights because the shops are open till midnight, and tonight, see if they move over. You're gonna move over? Like an idiot. Jesus. Just my luck. Oh, it's a goods train. 10 o'clock at night. There's a freaking goods train going through. As soon as the arms go up, everyone starts to move. You might see that. Let's see. See? He's already. They're starting up. Come on, stupid. Fucking hell. I gotta get over. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Traffic's already building up, especially on foot. People starting to walk into the town. It was pretty crowded last night. See what happens tonight. There's the artisan gelato shop. Very nice gelato there. Brugnolaro, the shoe shop on my right. He's open. I should go in there. Hang on, there's. Is he open? No. I don't think he is. È aperto o no? È aperto qui?
Non lo so.
Okay.
Sì, sì, è aperto.
Aperto? Oh.
Carini sti qua.
Hey, it doesn't matter. Okay, what have we got here? We go through. Check this out. No lights yet on the walls. I can hear music. Oh, all right. There's a band over there. Okay, we'll move on. Jesus, have a look at the crowd. Bloody hell. People everywhere. Okay, this is Arianna's shop right there. See? Beautiful. Bloody expensive though, they're not giving this stuff away. You're on camera. Hey Roberta. Arianna.
Guarda.
Ehi, come stai?
Fai film?
Sì, on YouTube. Ti vedono on YouTube.
Ah sì?
Yeah, you'll be on YouTube. Ciao ragazzi. Ciao, ciao. That was Arianna, who helps me out with the bags, as you can see. That's the Michael Kors selection that I went for. Very, very nice. Bloody expensive. I mean, those bags are like 400 euros, man. They're not giving them away. The wood oven bread place. And over here we've got the drogeria, which is not open. This is where I get my coffee and other things from. And there's Benetton. I think I hit the middle of the road. This is the main central square. Lots happening here. Man, is it full. Bloody hell. That's the church. I think John's mum and dad got married there. Were married there. Wondering where the Cafe de Portici is. One of my favourite cafes. Man, is it packed out here. Jesus. Do you reckon I can get through there? Go. It's a very nice cafe, and it's got inside granite tables, or granite top tables, as you can see there, and there's quite a lot of people in there. But oops, scusa. Very nice cafe. I might go looking for the sound of those drummers. Thanks to a friendly local, I was able to work out that this is Borgo Padova this way, and so I'm going to head back this way because this is where I came in from. They're coming for me. Beautiful, these walls up here, eh? You can walk all around it. Rudy and I did. Strong aftershaves. I'm wondering what beer they got here. Augustenbraun, Munich, German. The walls over there goes all around the entire city. Here's the guys with the Andiamo, Diego. What a racket! Sorry. I think the best band in the whole town at the moment. It's now 11:30 and I'm heading back. We're going to go to Alpe di Pampiago tomorrow morning, so better try and get some sleep. It's Venanzio. Andate in Citadella per fare un po' di film della Nota Bianca.
Ah sì?
E ti vede su YouTube.
Ma sei in diretta adesso?
Sì.
È andato a casa Giorgio adesso?
Non so, no, lui si è andato a Claudia che non sta bene.
No, ma è andato a casa adesso, lui doveva avere la birra, è appena partito adesso.
A partire adesso?
Adesso è a casa.
Ok. Ciao Venanzio.
Mercoledì ci vediamo prima.
Prima giovedì? For sure. Ok, ci vediamo, ciao.
Grazie, ciao.